Today we will be discussing how to install a reel cover on your Reelcraft reel. Reel protective covers are designed to withstand the rigors and abuse of daily use. They are constructed from a high-quality polyester fabric with a PVC coating proven to resist puncture, tears, and abrasions. The durable and long-lasting covers protect reels installed in harsh indoor environments, outdoors, or mobile applications, and also protect the hose from UV degradation from the sun for a longer service life. These are ideal for reels applied to fuel, diesel exhaust fluid, hydraulic fluid, welding gas, pressure wash, and more. To start, note the 3 locations available for you to pull your hose or cable through. The guide arm location of your reel will determine the location you will use to pull the hose or cable through. Cut along the X pattern on the cover with a utility knife to create an opening for the hose or cable. Install the cover over the reel and pull the hose or cable through the cover opening. The bumper stop may need to be removed and reinstalled. Secure the cover around the reel, aligning all areas of hook and loop. Ensure the mechanical snap located at the top of the hook and loop is snapped tight and secure. Thank you for your support and joining us today at Reelcraft.